Okay, so I'm just gonna be listening to your heart sounds. So the first one we're gonna do is the aortic. So this is the right sternal border, second intercostal. So I'm just gonna find that. Okay, now we're gonna do the pulmonic. So this is left sternal border, second intercostal. Okay, and then we're gonna do Erb's point. So this is left sternal border, third intercostal. Okay, and then we're gonna do tricuspid. So this is left sternal border, fifth intercostal. And then we're gonna do mitral. So this is medial subclavicular line. So this is like right here. Okay, and then we're gonna listen to the apical pulse for a minute. So just gonna go like right here and listen to that. Okay, so it was about 80 beats per minute.